vlogs more. Hi. So yeah, after 2 weeks we are here. You know what? I have started putting more efforts in making shorts because I think they work more nicely. I don't know. Okay, let's go and paint something. I want to paint something live. I have a I have a sunflower. So let's get it into that with oil color, my new favorite. Are the flowers I was talking about? See how beautiful are they? Let's talk about still life. The term still life describes a work of art that shows inanimate objects from natural or man made world. Looked at another way, still lifes depict things that are still and don't move. It's a genre that spans art history. It is found everywhere from ancient Egyptian tombs decorated with paintings of objects from daily life to work of modern art where it provided opportunities to experiment with new techniques, forms and style. The genre became particularly popular in the Netherlands during 17th century. When someone asks you why still life is important, why do you paint still life? It's been time. I haven't painted many still lives. I think I painted last on my graduation days, but nowadays because I want to get back to my artwork and art practice, I think this is the first thing I can do for myself is like painting still life. Still life painting is important for artists because it helps improve their basic skills. By focusing on simple objects, artists can sharpen their observation, noticing details like light, shadow, color. It also helps them learn how to arrange objects in a pleasing way, creating balance and interesting compositions. Practicing with the still life gives artists a chance to master technique like shading, texture. Since the setup doesn't move, it teaches patience and focus. It's very important to have patience and to be focused. Plus, artists can use everyday object to express creativity and meaning. Overall, it's a great way to build a strong foundation for more complex artwork. Bye.